Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, guys. It's already hot. We're still in June and it's blistering hot out here. It's gonna be up in the 90s, I think, but it's not raining, so I'm gonna take the opportunity to we're gonna smoke a chuck roast. I got about it's about 2¼ pound chuck roast in there. Gonna smoke it and we're gonna slice it when we're done if everything goes right, and I'm gonna treat it basically like I would a brisket, except it's not gonna take as long and it's much smaller. Let me show you what we're doing. Okay, I just turned the machine on. It prompted me that there's an update, so we've connected to our Wi-Fi and it's downloading the updated software. This is one of the cool features about this smart pellet smoker. It gives you automatic updates, and I don't know what it's downloaded, but we'll get it updated and get back to cooking. I don't know how well you can see this, so I'm propping my phone up here on the screen. I'm going to set this at 210. It's been cooking at about 230, 240 when I set it at 210. I can't explain it, but there it is. And then I'm going to go, I don't know, I can't see. There we go. I've set this for 6 hours. I don't know how long it's going to take. I'm predicting about 5.5 hours. But I want to keep it going, so let's get the smoke in here. Get this on. We'll go inside and prep our food. Alright guys, I'm simply using some of this All Things Roast I got from Porter Road. Just for the ease of pouring, I transferred some of it to a jar here. And that's all we're going to do to this, guys, is just some of this. I think it's an excellent rub. Don't be shy with it. It's a thick cut of beef. I love this stuff on beef especially. Get both sides really good. Did I mention it was hot outside? That's wanted something to gripe about, that's all. Sure and get your sides. That's all we're done, guys. We'll see you at the pit. Alright guys, we're going to be monitoring this remotely inside in the air conditioning. We're going to go directly on here. I am going to probe this. I've never used my probes on this smoker yet. I'll get in there about halfway. See if we can monitor this cook some. Guys, we'll check back probably in a couple of hours. Alright guys, that sun's on that handle, that is hot. We're 2 hours into this thing, guys. I'm flashing the temps up on the screen. What I'm getting on my phone, it's pretty consistent with what's on the actual smoker. Been running between 225, 230, 240. I mean, it's jumped around, but it stayed fairly consistent throughout these 2 hours, and I'm not going to do a thing here. Looks good. Get some really good color on here. I am going to spray it down with this. This is nothing but apple juice. We'll work on that bark some. Keep some moisture in here. Alright guys, you can see that, but looks good to me. We're going to keep rolling. I will wrap this probably when we get closer to 170 or so. We will probably wrap this, or unless I change my mind, we'll see what it looks like when we get there. So guys, we'll check back here about another hour or so. Alright guys, I don't know if you can see what I see. I see beautiful meat. I'm going to spritz this with a little bit more apple juice. I really haven't gained, we're kind of in like a little stall period. But I really haven't gained too much of internal teeth. I've been holding around 144. I'm going to let this go a little while longer. I may or may not wrap it, but we'll see if we can get past this little stall and see what happens. We'll check back, I don't know, in maybe another hour. We'll see. Alright guys, let's take a look here. We are 4 hours in, and I've decided to go ahead and wrap this. We're holding internals right at 158, which is a nice little increase, but I'm going to see if I can get this thing sped up a little bit. See if I can get this probe out of here. Everything looks amazing. Let's go ahead and get this in some foil. And we're just going to double wrap this guy. Don't get too fancy with it. Alright, simple as that. Get right back on here. I'm going to attempt to put this probe, not went in there too deep, right back in there so we can monitor that. We'll check back probably about another hour. Alright guys, and just like that we're hitting 201 degrees internal. Let me go ahead and pull this out. It's hot, hot, hot. I'm going to probe this, but just for tenderness. I know we're at temp, but I still want it to be able to slice. That probe's going in like butter. Now guys, I'm going to get this off of here. We're going to go inside. I'm going to wrap it back up, and I'm going to let this guy rest for a good, I don't know, 20, maybe 30 minutes while we're preparing all of our sides. Get this off of here so I don't burn my hands off. I'll see you inside. Alright guys, my problem here is I don't know how well this is going to slice. It's beautiful. Problem is I'm afraid it's going to fall apart on me. So, it's okay too. I don't care at this point because it's going to be delicious. Either way, it smells amazing. We're going to try to keep it together. Yeah, it's going to fall apart right there. It's going to be a little bit thicker right there. Amazing smoke ring. There, I'm going to cut it in larger chunks. Oh guys, I'll show you that little piece right there. Beautiful smoke ring. It's literally going to fall apart, but let me get Mama fed and we'll come back and we'll get a bite of this piece right here. Hey guys, there's that beautiful piece of meat, and it's literally, I was going to try to treat it like the brisket with the hanging. It's not going to do it. It's all falling apart. Very good guys, great smell. That was, I don't know if I said, that was kind of the oak wood. They call it an oak wood whiskey barrel pellet that I picked up locally. We'll see what happens. Let's go. That is delicious, guys. Oh my god. I'm getting thumbs up from behind the camera. Oh. It's so good to be back outside cooking food out on the grill the way it should be. It was really hot. I'll say we're up in the 90s here in the Bluegrass State, so I don't want to complain about that because it's not raining, at least for the moment. So I'm taking it, love it. One more bite for you. Guys, you know what to do with all the likes and shares. That really helps us out a lot. So guys, thank you as always for watching. I know it's been a couple weeks. If you're watching me on a full-time basis, like I know some of you are, I haven't shot a video in a couple weeks. Just been busy. The weather's been bad. Well, hopefully we're back on a fairly regular schedule. So guys, until next time, God bless you. Bye-bye. A little Manhattan cocktail for you. Cheers, guys.